Hey, Bob Clark here with TLC. Want to wish everybody a happy new year. Hope everybody's well, staying warm out here in this cold weather. Anyway, want to let everybody know we got a, you can read along here in the email. We're upgrading a lot of folks' systems that are more than 7, 8 years old. They want to get the latest and greatest on the smart controller. It's app driven. You can check it anywhere in the world. Turn your system on from anywhere in the world. Save a lot of water this way. It's really efficient. We can set your property up just like it's its own weather station. So change out all the heads, the nozzles, make your system brand new, give you a brand new warranty. Anyway, for the first 7 people that respond back, we can do financing in-house. Anybody wants to go 18 months same as cash, we also have that offer. And obviously we take cash and credit card, check and all that. But anyway, anybody have any interest, want to upgrade their lawn sprinkler system over the winter months? That way you'll be all ready for spring. We'll do all this work, turn it on, we'll winterize it again. And that way come March, April, we'll be all ready to turn your system back on. You have a brand new warranty, brand new system, real efficient. Give us a call if you have any interest in this, 410-721-2342. Hit the link below for more information.